Hi, I'm Noah Ray.
We're here for the cat food challenge, round 3. Hi, this is Noah Ray. We are in the round 3 of the crazy cat food bracket challenge. We're doing open nature chicken and whitefish versus a comment suggested fancy feast chicken feast. We already know who's gonna win. So this actually looks good. Who is this? Open Nature, the fancy feast, who we're predicting to be the all-time champion winner. That's Flopz. She's excited. The food is plated. Time to see what happens. Okay, people, that concludes tonight's episode. We will be picking 2 new cat foods for next week or next time. If you have any suggestions, we will accept your suggestions in the comments below, and feel free to subscribe if you want to see the finals of this channel and get alerts. Also, that suggestion for Fancy Feast, they did a smiley face. They were joking.